Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to deposit cash in Wise account. So how you can first of all deposit cash on your Wise account. First of all, you will need to turn that cash into your bank account, which is your credit card that you have in your pocket. So how you can do that, basically just drag the cash, go to your bank and put the money in your bank account. That's the first thing. Now second thing, what you have to do is go to Wise on your phone or on your PC. If you don't have an account already created from, register here and you put your email address and then the phone and then your password, or you can just skip it by using this Gmail function or Facebook account or Apple account. Okay, now after you log into your account, it will be open something like that. Now to send money, you click on here and you have to choose, for example, for you will send from your bank account, or sorry guys, to receive money I mean. So let's receive money because we are going to deposit. So you have first to open an account. Now when you register, you don't really open an account in Wise Bank, but you open an account in the Wise website. So now we need to open an account in Wise Bank. So we click on personal accounts. Here we put all the information. They must be legal and correct, so like first name, last name, date of birth, country, home address, city, postcode, etc. And they must be correct. Why? Because right after this step, they will review your information and they will ask you for a proof, like a picture of yourself. Another thing they will ask you for is an ID card, and if you don't have an ID card, you can use like driving license or passport. Alright, so that's like after you complete all of these, they will give you the access to deposit your cash inside of your Wise wallet. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually deposit cash on your wallet. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.